Maybe a week later.
1 week later.
Let's contact Realme first. Let's have a chat with them. I'm not getting any updates. Um, okay. Okay. I might get. Let's see how much time it takes. We'll inform you guys.
1 week later.
Let's check it. Finally got it. Let's make a video about it. So what is up guys, my name is Subham, you're watching Shub Tech. So yes, I am finally back on this channel.
Why the video was so late?
Actually I was I couldn't make video instead tomorrow because of the college pressures and all like that.
Truth or unsubscribe.
No, please don't click the channel, please. I promise. Okay. Let's be real. It was me and my laziness, but I promise that I will never do that ever again. I have full on energy to make this video. Back on. Okay. So, what was the topic? Realme UI 3 based on Android 12. Yes, I got that. And in this video, I'll explain everything about Realme UI 3. Let me grab my handkerchief because I sweat a lot. And yeah, let's get straight in the video. Okay. So first off, we're going to talk about animation. The sweet Jesus animations. Oh my god. The animations of Realme UI 3 are so beautiful. I can't explain it. Just see a demo. Actually, it's a screen recording because I have no other phone that can record 1080p 60 fps. I mean, I have, but it's kind of finicky and bad. So forgive me. And but the screen recording is in 1080p 60 fps. I hope. You can see the smoothness of the UI from switching apps to closing them to opening them to going to recents and doing the overall things you do in a smartphone. The experience is phenomenal. It's so good. I mean, I had never experienced this type of smoothness in any other phones till now. I mean, I haven't used iOS phones, iPhones. I mean, so I have to try them. Till now, I am still a virgin. Okay, whatever. But the animation are sweet smooth. Whatever they have done, the Oppo's quantum animation engine sort of thing, whatever it is, I put the name over here. Whatever they have done, it's incredible. I love this. We have to experience it firsthand, and with added 120 hertz. Okay, I can't explain. I will give it points 10 out of 10. Sepskis. That was kind of cringy, but so let's talk about the next topic, which is haptics. Haptics in Realme UI 3 are so incredible that it's good. I mean, what is incredible and what is good? My English is broken. I'm extremely sorry for that. And what I was trying to explain that whenever you are switching apps or in the recents menu or over scroll or doing certain things, you will experience some kind of haptic. And paired with Realme's good haptic engine given in Realme X7 Max. It's a delightful experience. If you have a set of haptic type of engine in your phone and your phone is Realme's or Oppo's, it's incredible experience. I mean, the experience you get, it's sort of like PS5's controller, if I can explain. Like every action you do, there is some kind of complementary haptic to it. Like in the recent menu, sort of like Android 12L, whenever you switch apps, there is a soft little haptic. I mean, I can say that the haptic motor in Realme X7 Max is not as great as other phones, but it's good enough to make Realme Y3 experience good. I mean, you have to experience it firsthand. I really like it. The first time I booted up to Realme Y3, first I experienced that thing. Apart from animation, like there are numerous change. Like you can set the intensity of the haptic engine, and there are haptic according to your calls and notifications, complementing your ringtone, also like that. So I would like to give haptics a 9 out of 10, only holding back by Realme's X7 Max. Sort of medium average type of haptic, a bit rattery, I mean, compared to other phones. But still, it's good. Incredible job, Realme. Now let's talk about the features. The features in Realme Y3. Oh, let me wash out my sweat. The features in Realme Y3 are so good, like custom AOD, emoji, and other type of shorter quality of life upgrades that makes the overall phone experience incredible and good. I mean, incredible and good are not the same words. Subham. What are you doing? Wow, it's great actually. Please pardon my English. I am shit, I know. That feature set in Realme Y3, like if you wanna set AOD, like there are numerous way to customize your always on display, a small thing of your phone, but it's incredible. Like if you want to draw a pattern, you can do it. There is now a emoji sort of thing, like you can put your face on your I mean AOD, always on display. So yeah, and the largest update in this thing is the portrait silhouette kind of thing. Like any background you wanna set, Realme will generate a silhouette of it, and it will try its best to draw that silhouette kind of thing. And actually, it's bang on, 10 out of 10. It's great actually. Some of the features are great, but some of the features are not so great. Like switching from 120 to 60, sort of smart thingy, whatever Realme UI has, it is jittery and it's whatever. I don't like it. I always use my phone at 120 hertz, and you should too. I mean, I have paid for it and I'll use it. Like that thingy. Let me get some air, bro. I am sweating. Please, if you liked my struggle, like Ananya Pandey, actually I struggle more than Ananya Pandey. So please like this video. So yeah, the feature set in Realme Y3 is really large, and most of them are great. So I would like to give it a 8 out of 10, not 9 out of 10, 8 out of 10. It is great, incredible. Now let's talk about the next topic, which is stability of the UI. That how is Android 12 or Material U working, or does this cause any lags, or whatever? What is the overall stability? Has any app crashed? Let's talk about it. So next we'll talk about the stability of the UI. There are a lot of chairs, I mean, extensions or whatever, but the stability of Realme UI 3 is greater than this tripod. Whatever the world. I said whatever lock, huh? Like the overall stability of the UI is good. I mean, rarely any app crashed on me. Right? Like it's like 1% of the time, and 1% of the time it's mostly the app's fault because it overloads the 8 gigs of RAM idle and poor optimization of the app itself, not the UI. But the credits where it's due. Android 12's optimization is the key. A lot of people say that Android 12's thing is actually broken. It causes a lot of heat. I agree with the heat part because my phone heats a lot right now. Like right now, oh, it's toasty. The battery is now. I'll talk about the battery later on. But only the heating issue is. But everything else, Android 12 is like a champ. The new material hue that Android 12 has introduced, like any wallpaper you wanna say, it will change the overall UI's color matching the wallpaper. It is incredible actually. It's good. Again, I said incredible good. So I have nothing to talk about it. So next we will talk about it. So next we will talk about the battery life. The battery life, I will say that it's actually stayed the same. That means Realme Y3 has actually improved on battery life. It is actually surprising because a lot of people saying that Android 12 has degraded or chopped down the battery life, but actually I have the opposite experience. It actually increased by 1 hour. How? Because my phone is nearly 1 year old, but it's still giving me the same or even better screen on time than it did ever before. How? I don't know, whatever Realme or Google has done with their UIs, wizardry, whatever it is, but kudos to them. So, oh wait a minute, I forgot something. Let's talk about cameras. Camera in Realme Y3 is good. I mean, you have seen the whole video right now. How is the experience of the 1080p 60 fps now as to before? Because I have a lot of videos on my channel and you will be able to notice the experience or the changes they have made. So let me know in the comments how is the video experience, how is the autofocus, whatever it is. Like the autofocus may be faster than ever before actually. I have good experience with the camera. Like see some samples right now I am showing in the screen. As compared to Realme UI's tools, I mean there isn't a lot of change, but in the portrait mode there is a new thing like it adds portrait bokeh flares sort of thing, and it's actually good, but it tends to underexpose or over sharpen or overexpose the shit out of photos. So it's a bit finicky, but I'd recommend you to use the normal portrait mode or the AI color portrait mode because both of them are incredible. If I had to give camera and battery rating, I would give battery 10 out of 10 because it's incredible still even after 1 year. And if I have to give camera rating, I would give it a 8 out of 10. I didn't give actually the stability a rating, so I must give it. I'd give stability a 7 out of 10 or 8 out of 10 actually. 8 out of 10 will be good. So let's give my verdict in the room itself. So what is my verdict about Realme Y3? think it's an incredible update. If you haven't, you should update your phone to Realme UI based on Android 12 if you have the device that supports it. I mean, if you and considering the fact that if you get the update, because Realme is notoriously slow to give update. I like the first skit sort of thing that I did. The first part, the intro of this video is actually true. It's based on a true story. I had to wait for 1 month to get this update. But here the experience may vary. Yeah, I had all these things to say. Nothing to say else. My experience with Realme UI 3 has been good so far. If I have any experience lag thereof or any issues, I'll report back to you in like 1 month or so, because I need 1 month to work. I need to see more about it, because recently I got Realme UI 3.1 sort of thing, I could say. I mean, Android 12L, I don't think, because there are numerous multitasking changes I got. The most of the feature I have talked about, I have shown you a screen recording of it. And if I have to give my verdict, Realme has done a good job. Actually, it has borrowed it from Oppo, so I would give Oppo, both Oppo and Realme, and also OnePlus, because there is a little bit of hint of Oxygen OS right now. Bit of hint. So kudos to 3 of them for providing me with an Oxygen OS. Whatever, it's good, and overall rating is 8 out of 10. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe, and please do it, because I am sweating right now. The fan is turned off and it's hot. Whatever. Please like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video, which will be on Moto G22. Adios amigos.